In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to find your liked posts in Facebook. So you can dislike them because it's pretty hard to find them, like you forgot the name or something. So I'll be guiding you guys on how to find them. So first, you want to open up any browser. In my case, I'm using Brave browser. Then you want to search up facebook.com. Click enter. Once you're in this page, you want to click your profile, and then you want to click settings and privacy options, and then you want to click active log, and in your left you'll see this thumbs interactions. You want to click this options, and too many options will slide down. Then you want to click this likes and reaction option. Click it, and here they'll show you your liked videos. Here I have liked this video, so I can dislike it by clicking these and then unlike. So you can click it and it will unlike. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.